In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add individual activity links from your WebAssign course to your Moodle course shell. This creates a seamless process for your students and allows them to navigate to the WebAssign activities from your Moodle course. You can also choose which WebAssign activity scores to sync with your Moodle gradebook. Before you begin, make sure you have linked your WebAssign course to your Moodle course shell. Also, you will want to have the assignments you want to use already scheduled and the point values assigned. Modifying the point values in WebAssign after the item has been linked into your learning management system could result in an incorrect assignment score being displayed. To get started, click on the Moodle gear icon, then turn editing on to enable edits within your course. Click Add an Activity or Resource in the section of the course where you want to add your Cengage activity links. Next, click External Tool and then click Add. Select the drop-down from the pre-configured tools and choose the Cengage tool. Then click the Select Content button. The Content Selector lists your scheduled WebAssign assignments. On the left, you will see an Add to Course column, and on the right, you will see an Add to Gradebook column. If an activity counts for a grade, the checkbox for Add to Gradebook column will automatically be selected. If you do not wish for the Gradebook column to be created in your LMS Gradebook for this activity, you will uncheck the box. You may also add deep links to the ebook when available. You will notice that not all activities will have a checkbox to the right to add to Gradebook. Items like the ebook are not able to be graded, so they will not have an Add to Gradebook option. Once confirmed, click Save and you'll be redirected back to Moodle. Click Save and return to course. Your link will now appear in the selected section of your Moodle course. Clicking on the link will take you and your students directly to the activity, which will open in a new window. Students can complete the activity and then return to Moodle. If you open up your gradebook, columns are included for each of the assignment scores you chose to sync from WebAssign. Scores are synced whenever your students submit work in WebAssign, or if you change those scores in WebAssign manually. Thank you for completing this video training for WebAssign. For additional help or resources, please visit our training and support sites.